Hello IGNO learners, welcome to my channel IGNO Updates. We have 4 major updates to discuss today. Don't skip the video, watch till the end to understand and to know about all the major updates. The first and foremost update in the list is June 2021 assignment submission last date extended. The answer is yes, it is. The date has been extended. IGNO has been released a circular recently on the same. You can look at the circular here, which clearly mentioned the dates. The circular has been released on April 27th, 2021, and which has been clearly mentioned here the assignment submission date has been extended up to 31st May 2021. It has been extended till May end, which is clearly mentioned here. And another point to be noted from this circular is we can submit assignments both in online and offline modes. Online means some of the regional centers asking us to submit via email, some of the regional centers asking us to submit via Google link. Please check with your respective regional center guidelines and submit your assignments offline or online mode as per your wish, and date has been extended till 31st May 2021. Second update in the list is June 2020 term and exams postponed. Well, there is no official answer for it, but there are some hints which will help us to understand exams are getting postponed. There are high chances of postponement of term and examinations of June 2021 due to COVID second wave spread. Most of the top cities are under red zone and some of the cities are under lockdown. However, there is no official circular or notification on this. But there are some hints out of which we will understand exams are getting postponed. I will show those two hints to you, even you will also agree to me that exams are getting postponed. See that first hint. Usually every year before the exams, IGNO will update date sheet, a tentative timetable of the exams, and make it available to the students. Similarly, this year also IGNO already updated date sheet and kept it in the website. Now I am going to that link and verifying it. I am seeing that file as 404 error file or directory not found. That means that file has been removed from IGNO website, which clearly shows that the timetable which they have decided before, that is not going to happen. That is the reason they have deleted that link from website. Currently the date sheet is not available in the website. That is hint number 1. Now let me show you hint number 2. If you see a very recent Times of India article which they have published on April 26th, which was interview of Vice Chancellor Mr. Nageshwar Rao. In that article, Mr. Nagesh Rao has been said 2 points. Point number 1, schedule for June may also get postponed. And he clearly said official announcement for extending assignments shall be made within a couple of days, but I can confirm that it will be extended till May 31st. He has been confirmed 2 points. Point number 1 is assignments submission last date will be extended. That had already been happened. We have seen the circular after that. And one more point he has mentioned, he clearly said he is not seeing any possibility of conducting exams at this point of time due to pandemic situation. That also he has clearly mentioned. This is another hint which I was talking about. Looking at these two hints, I can clearly say that there are high chances of exams getting postponed. Here comes update 3, which is IGNOU updated online link for submission of final project and fieldwork. Now I will show you how to browse this link, and I will show you some basic information and guidelines about this. Now I am going to IGNOU website, and then I am seeing the flash news alert highlighting here, open link for submission of final project, dissertation, fieldwork journals, internship reports for June 2021. I am clicking on that link, and you can see another point very clearly here. Session last date is 31st May 2021. That means you have date, you have time till May end to submit your projects and fieldwork journals. When I'm clicking that link, I'm directed to a page, a portal where you can read all the guidelines and you can understand what is the procedure to submit the final project work, field works, etc. If I slide down a bit, I could see after all the terms and conditions, do you want to continue, yes or no? When I am selecting the option yes, it is again showing next window where I can submit all my project works, field works, etc. There I have to give my enrollment number, select my program and date of birth after entering the secure code, which will lead me to update my project work. The last major update of the video, update 4, is very important. Re-registration link has been opened for July 2021 session. This is very important for all the existing IGNOU students. Must do their re-registration. So this has been informed via IGNOU Twitter account. So surprisingly, the link has not been put up in the main website, but they have created a dedicated link and which they have shared it through IGNOU official Twitter account. After clicking that link, I am diverted to ignou.samarth.edu.in website where I can see a login entry options. So once you enter your details into the student portal, it will lead you to re-registration form where you will select your subjects for next year and you will pay the fees for next year, which will confirm your admission for next year. It is like a promotion for existing IGNOU students. That's all today, dear learners. So I'm ending up this video with this 4 major updates, and I hope these 4 updates are very helpful for you. I'm going to share respective links in the description, so you can click on those links that will lead you to respective pages. Okay, thank you so much for your time, and please do subscribe, share and support. So please do comment and encourage me. So I'll come up with very good, interesting and useful videos in future. Thank you.